Hey there, Group 4. Happy Monday. Happy learning. So we've been doing a lot of work with prefixes, things that we add to the front of words. Now we're going to transition to suffixes. So suffixes are added to the end of a word to change the meaning. So this week, you're going to focus on the suffix less. So you take a root word, you add less to it, and I think you guys are going to tell me what it means. I'm going to give a few examples, and I bet you're going to kind of figure out a pattern of what the meaning could be. Also, you know what the word less means, so it's kind of related. So for instance, someone might be careless. Does that person have a lot of cares? Is that person very careful? Or are they kind of risky, dangerous, not paying attention? Right, so if you have less cares, right, if you don't have a lot of cares, you're careless. You make careless errors maybe on your math assignments, like you're not paying attention. So that's someone who's careless, not paying attention. Care by itself is a word. Less is our suffix. We add it together. We make a new meaning, new adjective. Careless. Or another one that I really like, or something, well, not I don't like, but it's a good word. Powerless. Right now we're kind of feeling powerless. We don't have power. We're without power. With this whole situation, and we're kind of stuck at home, and we're just kind of waiting and hoping and making sure people are safe. Right? It's really tricky stuff. So we might be feeling powerless. So we have our root power. When we add less to it, it means that we don't have power. So we don't have cares, we don't have power. It's like almost like a negative. You know how like we have like the and the non prefixes? These are kind of the same idea. So less is added to take away that thing. For instance, homeless. If someone is homeless, they are without a home, sadly. Right? We have the word home and then less put together, and it means that you don't have one. You don't have a home. Or cloudless. That is not the case today. Today is a very cloudy sky. I don't know which day, well, you're watching this on Monday. We'll see what the weather is, but I'm making this on Thursday, and it's very yucky outside. So if you're cloudless, you have no clouds. And there's others. I'm going to read through them in a second. But notice, all of these end with less. Cloudless, homeless, powerless, careless. That's a suffix that we add to a root word, cloud, home, power, care. That changes the meaning of the word. So we're going to focus on suffixes for the next few weeks. Ending syllables that change the meaning of the word. So I made a list for you. As you're reading, as you're talking, as you're thinking, let me know if you find other words that end in less and are suffixes, if they mean like without that thing. So I'd love to know your thoughts. Make sure whenever you learn new words and new patterns, you're always trying to find that pattern elsewhere. While you're reading, while you're talking to your parents, while you're looking at the back of a cereal box. I don't really care where you're looking, what you're listening to. Just pay attention. If you hear a word that ends in less, it probably is the suffix. Maybe it's not. We have to find exceptions too. So I'd love to hear those. All right, so your list for this week is ageless, breathless, which I am right now. I'm a little bit breathless. Powerless, endless, helpless, clueless, one of my favorite movies ever, reckless, tasteless, useless, restless, without rest, right? I think that's someone who's restless. Like they can't sit still, they're kind of annoyed, worthless, sleeveless. Right now I'm wearing a sleeveless top, right? I have no sleeves. Painless, homeless, priceless. That's interesting because you almost think like it's like a very low price. Actually, something without a price is so valuable, you can't even figure out how much it's worth. Like a priceless piece of artwork. So important that it's actually beyond a price. So that's a really good word, priceless. Cloudless, thankless, and fearless, which some of our characters might be fearless. Not Anne-Marie though. She was definitely fearful. Actually, next week we're going to do full. So, I hope this was helpful. Can't wait to see your hard work. Again, if you find words that end in less, send them to me. I'd love to see your thinking. Happy learning, guys. See you later.